Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to fly in CS2 Practice Mode. Don't worry. This method only works in practice mode or private servers with cheats enabled. It won't work in competitive, premier, casual, or deathmatch. And you won't get VAC banned. Let's get started. Open Counter-Strike 2. Go to Settings. Open the Game tab. Turn Enable Developer Console on. You can also bind any key you prefer to open the console. Now start a practice match. Once you're in the game, press your console key. Or press if you're using the default key. Type this command. SV_cheats1. Then press enter. This enables cheats for practice mode. Now type bind X Noclip. Then press enter. Press the X key. You'll start flying around the map. Press X again to stop flying. If you don't want to use X, replace it with any key you like. For example, you can use Z, Alt, or another key. That's all. You don't need to disable these commands afterward. They only work on servers where SV_cheats is enabled. If you join competitive, premier, casual, or deathmatch, nothing will happen when you press the key. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.